That would dry up.
This is a result of a deadly storm happened here in Hawaii. Let's take a look and you guys can get to see what happened here at this beautiful location that we always call our home. This is the beach we always go to and it's destroyed. So we feel disappointed, even though most of us still try to go to the beach to enjoy it. So I want to show you guys what it looks like and what takes place here.
On here. Found something here. I don't know what that is. What you have in your hand? Find a sea glass?
Yeah.
Oh, they didn't find a sea glass. Thank you, baby. Some crab hole. A lot of crabs hole. Water haven't reached up in this area, but behind there's water. This is my secret little spot over here. This is where I always make my video, climbing this tree. So it's still okay. A little secret spot right up here in the bush. It's an off spray.
all this water here you see, guys, is from the storm, and it's literally a
Swamp all around
natural
here.
pond. It's not a lake, but definitely it's like a swamp right now, and the ducks are enjoying this pond, guys. They are making great use of it. I don't blame them. I would do the same thing. Yeah, but yes, guys, this is what the storm left behind.
These ducks are having a great time of their life. They're enjoying the water. I don't blame them for that. Free water. There's a lot of ducks. You guys want to come and see the ducks? See ducks over here? Come on, both of you. Come on. I would just stay here and watch the ducks for the entire time. Look at that one. Oh goodness. Having the fun of their life. That's the sound of a duck. See that one swimming away. That's right. See them pretending he's a duck.
Look how beautiful they're swimming at the water.
It's like they're sailing.
My goodness.
Sailing through the waters. They're so beautiful. I would watch them all day. Guys, look, I dropped and fell in that hole. My whole foot came in that. Don't go down there now, move from that side. I got to cave off with you. Because I realize there's nothing underneath here. And
Wait, what the?
you guys can see the camera shake. I fell into this hole would give way a while ago with it. So, you gotta be careful. But the old slippers wash up. These are coming from all 10 miles. Oh. They make a hammer. He found trash from the seaside and making a hammer. You're creative, of course. Some of these are bottles, you know, they're not like broken bottles. Come on. washed up. Yeah, so that's my spot, guys. You see it from this angle. That's my spot in the bush over there. Always. Never fail.
It's floated water.
Which one of you met this?
None of us.
Which one of you met
I
it?
made that.
You met the stick man?
Stop lying. I'm not kidding. I did.
He makes it.
And why? I put it over. I can flip that. Now there's a walk. Where's the tadpoles? Tadpoles. Tadpoles are on the next one. Yeah. No. Yeah. Oh, I see tadpoles are over there. No, come here, TJ. I see tadpoles over here. What do you do? How did we get back right here?
They make something here that the water could have run over.
I'm gonna use it.
It was a.
Mom, there was a tiny frog over there. You missed it. I was calling you.
That. Wow. There's some more ducks over there too. Yeah, see the ducks? They're over there. They're swimming.
I see a dog on a log.
Yeah, he's on the log over there.
It's nesting.
He's right up there. That's the ducky, enjoying life.
Mom,